Hyundai Genesis Coupe head unit removal guide. This is a 2014 model. This is just a guide, okay? This is pre-opened already. Okay, sige. Pop open this panel. Okay, pakita mo yung clips. Okay, clips. Okay. Then remove the sockets. Pakita mo yung mga sockets. All the sockets. Okay. Sige. Tignan mo na sa likod. Pop open. Remove the screws. Two screws. Okay. Upper panel. Pop open. Remove the socket. Plug. That's it. Upper part, you just need to remove the screws. Two screws and two screws. Okay. Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2014.